Hi everybody, this is an angel that I've had for years and years and years, given to me by someone very dear. However, in transit of us moving from one place to another, one got destroyed. In the next clip, you're going to see one of my decorative globes, if you will, that got broken. I did it, and I came up with a solution. It's totally different, but it was a solution. So just watch my process. As you can see, also on the angel, I'm showing how I messed up, but it was not over because I was able to find a remedy for that as well.
Turned out really nicely. Okay. I'm not gonna keep the green underneath, but I'll figure it out. This is coming along, believe it or not, like I'm gonna mirror the same thing that I did on the bodice part on the face and continue on.
I had forgotten that I actually repurposed this tacky glue bottle that I had, and I put in my CRAFTER'S pick glue. It was just simpler to work with rather than my bigger bottle that I had.
Just found that to try to move this back a little bit to give you guys a better view. This part, I know it's just about right here. I'm gonna work on placement and then I'll put that glue. Oh, this is right here. Almost can't tell on film, huh? I mean on video. Aging myself, that's okay. I'm okay with it. Okay, let's get the glue on. It's easy to get turned around on these things, so I've lost my way, found my way, lost my way, found my way. I tell y'all, I know y'all be hearing my noise in the background, but sometimes that noise is a relief to a loved one making it back home. And for those of you who don't understand that, but it's real out here, y'all. Okay, I was pushing a little too hard. All right. Okay, so now Look, you guys, I have this piece that's fairly big and then this one. But after that comes all these little bitty pieces that I have to figure out. And so I'm going to fit what last bit I can, and then I'm going to utilize maybe with clay as best I can in here. And then I'm going to embellish it because that's going to help it be beautiful again. It in the beginning, but I'm finding I actually like the crushed glass mixed with the holographic chips. Okay, so this is what I mean. I have found that it's easier. Let me put this on an area that can be seen. It is easier that I mix the glass stone with the resin and then apply it. And I'm trying to do this quickly, so if you will excuse me.
I don't want you guys up here watching grass grow. So I just repeatedly mixed some resin in with a little bit of glass at a time. I'm using my little bitty pendant resin mold because it worked. It was flexible, and all I did was pat that in place. I did a little quick flash cure with my dark beam UV flashlight so that it wouldn't fall off when I took it to the actual bigger UV lamp. And then I covered it all. I covered everything, as you can see right here. What does it remind you guys of? My daughter told me it reminded her of those little snowball cakes, and I have to be honest and said I was thinking the same thing, but it is what it is. I like it.